Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn the Windows Update service on or off on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in services. Best result should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. First service you want to look for is the Background Intelligence Transfer service. Go ahead and double click on that. You want to stop the service, and this is if you want to disable Windows Update. You're going to do the exact opposite if you want to enable it. So you want to start the service, and if you want to enable Windows Update, you're going to set this to automatic or automatic delayed start. If you want to disable Windows Update, we're going to set both of these to disable. So disable the startup and stop the service. If you want to enable Windows Update, you're going to start the service and change the startup type to automatic. Select apply and OK. And now you're going to go down to the Windows Update service. And double click on it. Again, if you want to enable Windows Update, you're going to set the startup type to manual or automatic, and you want to make sure service status is running. If you want to disable Windows Update, you select stop, and then you also would change the startup type to disabled, and then select apply and OK. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.